Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charity. If today is your first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and be part of this family, okay? For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to contour, highlight, and to make your makeup so flawless, okay? Contouring is basically to chisel down that face, that round face of yours, and make it slim and bring definition back to your face. So let's get started. For today's tutorial, I'm using my Kleancolor Pro Prep and Prime. Whenever you apply foundation, it takes away all those highlights from your face and makes your face look flat. So you have to highlight to bring back those highlights that is already on your face. So now that the primer, I think, is set now, the next thing I'm going to do is to apply my foundation. I'm using my Milani Total Coverage Foundation. This foundation is amazing. And I'm going to color correct before I blend the foundation. I'm going to color correct. I'm using L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector right here. You want to make sure that your makeup is like absolutely flawless. So if you want to color correct, you are free to do that. If you don't want to color correct, you can go on with the foundation. Okay, I'm going to blend everything with my foundation. To blend my foundation, I'm using this foundation buffer brush from Anjou collection. Staple it like this into the skin. Okay. You see how my under eye is looking so flawless, even though I don't have any concealer there, like highlight concealer. So that is what the color correcting does. So now you can see that my face is looking so like flat. There is no shade, there is nothing like any kind of difference in my face. Everything looks like the same. That is not how you want your makeup to be like. This is when highlight and contour comes in. Okay, so the brows are done. Oh, I'm loving these brows. First, I'm going to use L.A.Girl Pro Conceal. This one is in the shade Fawn, and that is what I'm going to use to highlight my face. Okay, so I'll apply under the eyes, the forehead, where I want to bring back definition, as in the highlight where it was already. So under the eyes, or the bridge of my nose, the chin area, and my forehead. Okay. One thing I've realized these few days is that I like to leave my concealer to kind of dry a little bit, because concealers are not full coverage. It's like they are very sheer. So when it dries, it helps you get enough of the product. Okay, it doesn't stick to the blending brushes or the brushes or the blending sponges. So I'm going to leave it to once I apply the contour. And to contour your cheeks, you need to make sure that you see from the ear here, the earlobe, this is the earlobe, right? So from here, when you do your face, like, so you see this line, this is where you're going to contour. And for once, I like to contour that place, and also my forehead, because I have a broad forehead. I want to make it smaller, so I contour the edges of my forehead here, and then the nose. Okay, so for contouring, I'm using my Mary Kay bronze 1. This is Mary Kay Matte Liquid Foundation. Yeah, it's a liquid foundation combination to oily skin, and I have oily skin, so it's good for me. So what I like to do is that I squeeze some onto this small fluffy brush here, and I kind of apply it the areas I want to contour. So here, for the nose, I normally use powder contour to contour. So I'm just bringing a little bit here, just so you know how it's done. Okay, and I'm going to blend everything together. Like you can blend either the highlight first, but make sure when you're done you go on with the foundation brush to blend everything together so that it won't be like there is contour here, there is highlight here, just like that. You want to make it seamless. Okay, so for the blending, I'm going to use this my sponge, beauty sponge. So I'm going to use one side to blend the highlights. Don't worry about the mess right now. If I blend everything together, it will be perfect. So, and I'm going to use the other side of the same beauty sponge to blend. And so you see that it's kind of, there's some kind of shade there. You see, because my highlight is kind of too much a little bit to me, I'm going to add more contour so I can blend it into the highlights a little bit. And then the forehead, you blend it for, like, you blend it down. Okay, you see how it has created some kind of shade around my hairline. I like to contour and I love it. Okay, because it's, you can't get enough of contour. It's just so perfect to me. I think it's just so great to me. Now the next thing you're going to do is to set the highlighted areas. Okay, and anytime you apply concealer, do well to set it, because concealer is kind of creases after a while. So without wasting much time, I'm going to set my concealer, and I'm using Sacha Buttercup setting powder contour brush. This small brush here, this one is from Lauretta technique. I pick the product and I tap the excess off, because first I want to set it before I go on a bake. You see where I have set, see how that place is looking like mattifying, and this side is looking so oily. So setting really helps your makeup also to stay on all day long. Now I'm going to set the whole this area and then my forehead as well, and I'm using the same beauty sponge that I used earlier. Okay, you see that this side is contoured, my face is looking slimmer than it was. Yeah, the next thing I'm going to do is to leave the powder to set on my face for a while. So whilst it's setting, I'm going to do my eyeshadow, very simple eyeshadow off camera. I'll leave the product that I will use for the eyeshadow in the comment section so you can check it later on. Okay, next what I'm going to do is to clean the powder on my face and set my entire face. Okay, powder brush, okay, from Anjou collection. So I'm just going to clean all the powder from my face. Okay, to set the entire face, the contour areas, my bridge of my head, hairline, and other parts and the face, I'm using this L.A.Girl Pro Face. This is in the shade True Bronze. So when you contour, now it's cream contour. So what I would like to do is that I like to go on with a powder contour to kind of set the contour into place and also to add more definition to my face. Okay, so and for that I'm going to use my duo contour palette from Hack. This shade right here, and I'm using my contour brush. This one is a bigger one, not too much. Okay, just a little by little. Take your time, it's your face, oh, have fun with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go on into the top part of it like that. Don't bring it all the way here, okay? Just at the highest point or here. You see how it has defined it so well? That is what you want, okay? So the reason why I go on with the contour palette is because the powder one, it's aside the fact that it will bring back the definition, it also kind of set it, okay? Because it's powder, so it will set it. You see, at the beginning I told you that my face looks like kind of so bright, and I'm going to use contour to bring back some kind of warmth. And you see how now the highlight is so gone down, the face is kind of warm. So for the nose, I'm going to use a smaller pencil, smaller brush. This is also from Anjou collection. It's a contour, nose contour brush, and I'll pick a little bit of that same contour and kind of bring back more definition to the face. Ooh, wow. And I'm going to go with another powder again. Yeah, just to bring everything together. Okay, so guys, this is the contour for you, okay? Next, I'm going to pop the highlight, and for that I'm using this Melanin Glow. This baby right here. I'm using this brush here. You go at the highest point of your cheeks, okay? Here. Whoa, that's so beautiful. You see? Just like that. I'll bring a little bit here too. Okay, yes. Whoa, you see how the nose is looking, the cheeks are looking, everything is looking so. So next I'm going to apply my blush. The blush also kind of brings warmth, like it makes your face look so natural, okay? So I'm just going to pop some of my cheeks to bring back some kind of color to my face. So for that I'm using blush duo from Makeup, and this is the baby, using this baby girl here. And I'm going to use this the lighter shade on it, this one. Oh wow, oh, this is beautiful. Nice. Now I'm going to do my eyes, finish the eyes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, now you see I went on finished the eyes, so you can see it's looking gorgeous, okay? So next is the lips, and for that I'm using Ever Beauty Matte Lipstick, color 220, and I'm going to use this my lip liner, Miss Lauretta. It's almost gone. It's in a very dark purple, and I love it. And I'm going to go with this lipstick. You see the color? Next, I'm going to spray on my face so my whole entire face will look so dewy. So guys, so for contouring, that is it. Chisel your face to bring back definition, okay? Highlighting helps bring back definition and kind of, yeah, to your face. And then contouring also chisel your face to make your face look slimmer. And that is it all, guys. So make sure you do that. Let's let it dry. Okay. So guys, this is it for the makeup. I'm going to put on my wig, and then guys, I'll see you all sooner than you think. Yeah guys, so this is the final look. Okay, you see, this is a very beautiful wig. I made it myself. If you want one of these, you can email me. My details are in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel, and then don't forget to click on the notification button, so anytime I upload a video, you will be the first person to watch it. Okay, so thank you so much, and until I see you, have a wonderful, blessed life. Bye.